Hello and welcome to Sparkles of Arizona. Today we are going to review the DiGiorno Thanksgiving pizza, which is a limited edition pizza exclusively available at Kroger stores. And here in Arizona, that would be Fry's Food Store. And at my Fry's, the regular price was $10.99, but I was able to get it they had it on sale for $9.99. It has 4 servings per container, and let's get it open here. I feel like I am the only person in the world that can't open a perforated box without ripping it to shreds. Okay, so it looks kind of like a frozen Thanksgiving casserole when you take it out of the box. It is a Detroit style pizza, so it's not your normal round pizza. It does say we're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees, and then once while it's preheating, we're going to remove the plastic wrap, and it's not just the top covered, it's actually the whole thing is inside of plastic wrap. So we're going to take that off. It does come with its own pan, and let's kind of take a closer look at it here. It's got the little turkey pieces. There's some green beans. Can't get that off, it's really frozen on there. And let's see what else. So the green beans look pretty decent. You got turkey tenderloins, so it looks like decent pieces of turkey, some dried cranberries, and it says to go ahead and put the whole pan in the oven when it is at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to cook that, and it should be ready in about 20 to 25 minutes. It does say, wait till it's kind of brown around the edges and the cheese is melted. And it does say if you're going to take it out, you might want to slide a cookie sheet or another pan underneath it, but it seemed to come out pretty easily just using a pot holder. So it looks a lot better. It looks a lot better cooked than it did when it was frozen. So that's a good sign. So the cheese is melty, it's crispy around the edges, everything looks totally edible. You got the green beans, crispy onions, dried cranberries, and like a gravy drizzle, I guess. So the instructions say to go ahead and remove it from the cardboard pan with a spatula before you start slicing. So let's go ahead and get this out. Oh, there's a little cranberry. So let's go ahead and get this out, put it on something so we can get it sliced. I'll just switch it out of the paper pan onto the cookie sheet and our sheet pan. And it says do not reuse the pan to reheat anything. So it is recyclable if you wash it. So let's get this baby carved up here. So, let's see. It's got a nice little kind of crunch sound to it. And it's got a piece off here that has everything on it. So it does say it's 4 servings. All right, so that's got, you can see the gravy there glistening, and it's got the melty cheese. The only thing that I noticed on it that it didn't have, which we normally have at our Thanksgiving, would be like corn. But let's see, so it's got 4 servings per box. Okay. Actually, that is delicious. It tastes like a really nice biscuit that's just covered with Thanksgiving leftovers. I honestly didn't think I was going to like it, but I would actually buy this again. Now, when you're thinking pizza, it doesn't have any kind of marinara sauce on it or anything like that. Here's the ingredients if you want to look at them really quick. But wow, that was a lot better than I thought it was going to be. If you like Thanksgiving foods and you're not allergic to any of these things that are on this Thanksgiving pizza, I highly recommend you try it out. It's like $10 for 4 servings, and it is I really like this crust. Like the cheese melts around the edge. Yeah, this was actually really, really good. So have a happy Thanksgiving, everyone.